Hey guys, and in this video we'll go over the quick setup wizard that we have within our Melbourne theme. So let's just head on over to the back end of our website, and essentially you'll need to go over here to the appearance area and click on Flow Quick Setup. Alright, and you'll be taken to the following page, assuming of course that you've already uploaded and installed our Melbourne theme. You can then access the following setup wizard. And before we proceed with the setup, let me just go over to the front end of our website, show you what we have. As you'll see here, it's just a clean Melbourne theme, no content whatsoever, no pages, and so forth. So we'll just go over the process and explain everything in more detail as to how to set up your website. And in addition to that, we've also created a written documentation with notes and screenshots as to how you can set up your website using our quick setup wizard. Alright, so let's just head on over once again to the back end of our website, and over here essentially we have the first step, and that is recommended to install and activate our recommended plugins. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, and we'll be taken to the following page where essentially it is important that you have our Flow Updater plugin to make sure that you can update your theme, have our shortcodes, Ninja Forms. This is for creating custom contact forms. Visual Composer, this is also a pretty cool plugin that you can use within the Melbourne theme. And then you also would want to have the following widget importer and exporter as well. So let me just go ahead and activate a few plugins here, and then we'll proceed on with the remaining customizations. Alright, so now that we've installed our plugins, let's go ahead and import demo content. And in the following area, it is essentially very important to note that if you have an existing website, and we have it here in bold, do not import your dummy, or do not import our dummy data or our demo content, because that will mix up with your existing content, and then from there on you'll need to go through every single page of the website and clean it up, and basically it's just going to be a huge mess within the website. So over here we also have some recommendations. Before importing content, please install and activate the widget importer and exporter plugin if you've exported your content from another website and you're importing it into the following site. This step would be better for those who are starting out with a clean website, no content whatsoever, and you simply want to import some demo content just to make sure that you have the website structure set up and ready to use. But once again, this is not for those who have an existing website and who are applying the following Melbourne theme to an existing website. Alright, so for those of you who want to import demo content, over here you'll be able to select the demo version that you want to use. Once again, the following step is optional, so at this point we'll just go ahead and skip this. We'll scroll further down, and over here we have the option to set up our home page. And essentially within this area over here, we can select either for WordPress to create a homepage automatically called home, or we can select one of our existing pages, and once again this is mainly applied to those who have an existing website and for those who have existing pages already created. So if we select this option, we have our next drop down where we can create our homepage. In this case I don't have any pages created, so let me just go ahead and select automatically create a page called home. And next off we have the same option with our blog page. We can either select an existing page or we can create a new page titled blog. So I'll go ahead and select that, and let's click over here, set the home page, and we'll click over here, set the blog page. Alright, next off we have the following menu options. Once again, for those of you who have an existing website and have existing pages, you can create your menu from the existing pages. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on set the primary menu, as I've already created a few pages. And finally over here we have the quick styling, and in this area you'll need to upload your logo, upload your custom favicon, and then also select a style kit that you want to apply to the website. So you have three options to choose from over here. I'll go ahead and select this one here. And finally we have our final step is the permalink structure. And essentially, once again, this step is optional. We would, however, recommend to set your permalinks to post name, and let's just go over here and I'll show you a quick overview of what that looks like. And we'll need to go over here to the settings area, click on permalinks, and over here we have several options to choose from. The one that we recommend is essentially to have post name. This is probably one of the easiest ones to work around with, and the most relevant one if you want to create links throughout the website as well. So I'll go ahead and select the following option here. Alright, so now that we've added our permalink structure, we've already uploaded our style kit, everything has been finalized. Let's just go over to the front end of our website and see what we come up with. Alright, and here we have our website set up. As you'll see, we have our logo, we have our navigation menu, we have our home page, and so pretty much at this point we have our main body of content and the main structure to work with. So at this point what you'll need to do is simply add in additional pages. If you're creating a new website from scratch, you'll need to customize your home page by also adding an image slider, adding widgets, etc. So these are the first and initial steps that you need to take in order to set up the website, and from there on it's simply a matter of setting up one page at a time. So we do thank you for watching the following video. We hope this helps with the website setup initially, and for further information and details also be sure to check out our documentation, and all of those links are in the video description below. Thank you very much.